welcome back to Time for Color. This is your girl Star, and today's video is super exciting. I'm excited to share with you that I am a certified I am certified to do hair extensions by Bellami Professional. So I took the class in Dallas, Texas around March. I think it was around like March. Was it around March? No, it wasn't around March. It was, I can't even remember. It's been a few months ago already when I got certified, but I wanted to let you know, what comes all in the kit. Is the kit even worth it? So let's get into it. So the first thing I wanted to share with you guys, what comes with the kit, is you get a doll. Now my doll looks a little crazy right now. She has like paint from the wall because she's been stored away in a closet. So this is a doll that you get. She has real hair, so, and you also get a stand. So you get like this stand, you get like a little cover, and you also get this kit right here. So this is the kit. I know what you're thinking, like, what in the heck? Like, look at this kit, guys. Look how like big it is. It's like a little suitcase. Like, girl, I'm about to go do extensions, but mine's a little dusty because it's been put away. But yeah, so right here it says Bellami Professional right here, and it has like their logo. So when you're taking this class, before we get into the kit, before you take this class, you do get certified in 4 different methods. You get certified in the tape-ins, the I-tips, the K-tips, and the volume weft. So you get certified in all these 4, and it is a 2-day class. It's a 2-day class. It was at the Sheraton Hotel. It was pretty crazy too. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, there was tornadoes the second day. I think there was one that had touched down, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So they were trying to get us to like go into this hallway, but I was like, oh heck no, like I need to get certified. Like, I need to get certified in this brand, and I didn't pay all this money, and there's gonna be a freaking tornado. But anyway, with all that being, with even that happening, the class was still going on, even though they were a little bit scared because of the whole tornadoes. And these girls are from like California, and I think they, a bunch of, I guess it's like earthquakes over there. They're not used to like tornadoes, and over here we get like a crap load of tornadoes here in Texas. So when that tornado, well, there was like a funnel that was close by the hotel where this was, I guess, where it was going on, and everybody was a little bit freaked out, but we were kind of like, we're kind of used to it, whatever, it's a big hotel, we should be fine, right? But yeah, the class, they weren't even, like, they were talking a little bit as we were practicing and stuff, but the whole class was still going on still. Like, they were very professional about it and still going on. But yeah, so it's a 2-day class. You get certified on the 2nd day once you finish it. And then but if I can find a photo of it, I'll share a photo somewhere here of what my certificate looks like. But what it looks like is you get like a small certificate about this big, and it has your name saying that you're certified in all I think all 4 methods, I think. And then it's in a acrylic type of frame, and it's like see-through, and it's super cute. Super light. It looks luxurious. It looks very gorgeous. It looks really, really nice, and it kind of screams like Bellami, Guys, okay? So this is what we got. I don't know if you could tell because everything's pretty black. But we got hair. We got like 14-inch hair. I think it's like 14 or 10-inch. I'm not sure. But you do get a, I don't know what this is called, a professional hairstyler. This is for the K-tip extensions, and everybody got a different one. So you get this right here, and this is to melt the K-tip. And so mine looks like this. It's like pink. It has a little bit of hair on it too. It's so gross, but I haven't used it since because I have another one at work. But how cute is that? Some people got black, some people got pink. I think it's like a pink purple color. And here's like this little temperature thing, I think is what it is. Yeah. And these are for the K-tips. There's a bunch of stuff that I haven't used yet, but yeah, so I'm gonna open up this bag right here. This is for your tools, I think, if I'm not mistaken, but look how cute that is. Has Bellami Professional. I don't know if you could tell. And I think this is this for, oh, this is like for like business cards and stuff like that, and to put all your tools in here. So I haven't used this brush and it's kind of like messed up right here. I don't know if I squished it or what the heck. But yeah, this is a Bellami hair brush. It's a board bristle brush with like little, it's for hair extensions. For hair extensions. So you get another brush, you get 2 brushes. You get one that is a board bristle brush. That's a little tongue twister. So here is another one, just like a kind of like a wet brush kind of, but is Bellami, and it feels like real nice, and like it feels like the NARS blushes have like this matte finish. So you also get a cape. So it comes with that. Cute. Oh my god, so cute. They provide you with everything you need, guys. Like literally everything you need. So they give you like this is like a tripod, so you can get posted on, hopefully get posted on the Bellami page. So it comes with like a little tripod for your phone, and then you can switch it too. There's like a little hole right there, so you can switch it if you want to lay it a different way. But yeah, it's like a super cute, so there's no excuses why you shouldn't post on like Facebook, Instagram. So they provide you with something to start out with. So this is for tape ins. This is to secure the tape. So once you apply the tape ins, you go in and you want to switch the tape. And this is what this tool is for. This is for the eye tips or the beads, to squish like the beads. So it comes with that tool, and they're like really nice. They're kind of a little heavy. They might be a little too big. I might want to get like a smaller one. And this, I don't know the name of it. If I could find the name of it, I'll put it. But this is for beading, to add beads, to add like a bunch of beads together. You can just like stack them up right here. And these are for the eye tips, the volume weft as well. So I'm going to share with you the rest of what's in this bag before, you know, the camera had cut me off. So you do get this Bellami, what is it? The Bellami extension release. This helps to release the bonds, either with tape ins or the K-tips. You want to use this spray right here, and they teach you how to use this in class, of course. And let me show you one other thing that you get. I have it laying over here. You also get these swatches, and look how amazing these swatches are. Look how long they are. I mean, come on, guys. Look at that. And the clients can fill them too if they want to. So what all comes in this ring right here. So you get, let me read these to you guys. They have like different, like they have a rooted look, they have a sombre, they have an ombre, they have highlights, biologes, a natural, they have marble blends. And they're always coming out with like new hair. I think they recently came out with, I don't know if it was, there was a one that was like a rooted, they're like a few more colors. So they're always coming out with like new stuff. So here, like you have like this color. Look how gorgeous that one is. Okay, so this is like the Biolage one. I mean, look how good that looks. That actually looks nice and like blended, you know. It doesn't have a harsh line, you know, and then it's like a different color. Sometimes some of those extensions do have that, but this one doesn't. It just has a nice like gradient. So you also get Bellami clips. I think you get a few of them. I have one right here. You get about 4, I think. So you also get some of these little beads. They have different types of beads, and these beads are copper beads. They don't like rust or anything like that. They do have like a little bit of a grip inside the copper. And yeah, they have different sizes. They're different sizes, and this is how much they give you. They give you about this much. I used a few of them already. They're kind of spread out everywhere, but they give you about this much so that you can practice on your mannequin. Also some thread. This is the blonde thread. Is it blonde? Does it say the color? It doesn't say the color, but it's like kind of like for blonde hair. So you also get Bellami guest consultant cards, and you also get Bellami client cards. So this is what the Bellami client cards look like. They look like that. And you get quite a few to start out with, and if you need more, you can order online through their website. So here are these are the Bellami guest consultant cards. This is like when you're consulting with a client, you're evaluating their hair, you're doing a consultation, and you're asking them like what links they want and stuff. And so yeah, this is these cards, which is awesome. You get this little device right here, and what this is gonna hold your hair extensions. But you can clip this like this, clip it like that, let it hang over your little trolley thing, and you work quicker, you know. It holds your hair extensions for you. Single-sided tapes, and you also get double-sided tapes for the tape ends. So here are some scissors that you get too, and you also get a needle to do volume wefts. You get needle, and you get this little shield for the K-tips, so that you don't burn the client's head, you don't get the glue everywhere. I mean the glue, you don't get the keratin everywhere, the keratin bond everywhere. So I think that's everything in, yeah, that's pretty much everything. And you also get hair, so you get one 5-inch volume weft. I'm gonna show you what the back looks like because I have it out. I used it, I practiced it on my mannequin. So here's what it looks like. You get 25 eye tips. You get 25 eye tips. This is what the back looks like because it's, you know, my hair's in a little bag. So this is the one, the 10 tape-in wefts that you get in your kits. And all the hair is in here. So here is another part of the volume weft. I actually ended up cutting it because we had to cut it in class. And these are the eye tips. If you don't know what eye tips are, they you put a bead in. You put a bead, you squish the bead, and these are the eye tips. So this is a regular K-tip, and it has a bee on it for Bellami. And this is the one that you melt with the hair on the hair. And so you can also cut them to make them a micro K-tip for someone who has very thin hair. So they show you how to use this, how to cut it if you need to. They show you all that. So let me show you the K-tips and the eye tips together so you can get like a visual, so you can see like the top parts. So that's what that looks like. So this is what their tapes look like at the top part, you can see. And this is like the sticky part. And yes, look how gorgeous that is. I want to get tapes for my hair. I want to do tapes and eye tips. When you're reapplying like tape ends and stuff, this is like a board to like keep your, say you're doing like a refill, or you're moving them up. You're moving the tapes up. You put them to, like, this is the nape and this is the crown. So it shows you where to put the tape ends when you're taking them out. So that's pretty cool. And this is like you just get like 3M tape. I think 3M double-sided tape, and you just use it like that. And on the back, here's what this shows on the back. There's like hair everywhere. But guys, like, I mean, you got pretty much your money's worth, plus you got certified on top of it. So I think this is such a great idea if you're wanting to go with Bellami hair extensions. Bellami hair extension is a luxury hair extension. So if you want to do a luxury hair extension, you can go ahead and do that. They are going to cost a little bit more than your average hair extension out there because it is top quality hair. It is rimy hair. All the hairs are going, the cuticles are facing one direction. They're all facing down, and some they're not facing like up and down, which those can, I mean, those extensions can last you about like 3 months or something. So yeah, these hair extensions can last you 6 months to like 12 months, just depending on how you can take care of them. And they give you so much information, guys. They give you like a little book of all the prices and everything. If you want to know any more about Bellami hair extensions and you're curious, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment on what you want to see next. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.